Hello, everybody. It's Sunday. I'm just getting around to making Jim's live trading video from Friday, the 18th. And this is a really good video. Please watch it all the way through to the end and pay particular attention to Jim's comments about how he uses the auto trader, how it helps him. And he talks about a couple of specific features in the auto trader, particularly the reversal look back is what he's talking about, looking back to red bars changing to blue and so forth. And it actually worked out really good on a trade that we're going to see, because when that happens, you're actually getting in on a pullback. It's got a pullback for the bars to turn blue, and then you get in typically at a higher price than if it was just red bars and it went short. Anyway, a really good video. Very excellent advice on qualifying for a combine as well. So hope you enjoy this video. Another great performance featuring Trader Jim in the Auto Trader.
All right, October 18th, I am bearish so far, but not, I guess, cautiously bearish, which is why I'm using the daily open range filter for shorts only. Only if they break below it will I be taking a short. The reason for me being bearish is because we are trading below 67. They tried overnight and could not even reach 67, which keeps me bearish. If they start trading above 67, then 8,012 again becomes possible, so then I'll turn bullish. But for now, staying bearish. So while we are waiting on the open range chart to kick in on the short side, I have another account running at the same time on a different template. So this one just took a short qualified here based on the fact that we had red bars and the step away was sloping down. It has, as always, pretty much a $500 stop and target, trading two contracts. Let's see how far we are from, yeah, we are way above the open range, so I have time for this one. Definitely a slow opening, very slow opening so far. They're trying to get higher, but again, for me, as long as they're below 67, I just cannot be bullish with them being below 67. One of the many benefits with trading with the auto trader is that I am able to run two accounts at the same time, two templates at the same time. And I know that the auto trader will enter and manage the trades according to the plan. I've learned over the months to really trust this software, extremely reliable, if it does something that I think is wrong, I've kind of learned by now, is because I've done something wrong. I inputted the wrong value somewhere. I checked a box I shouldn't have checked, or I did not check a box I should have checked. Because it just does exactly what it's supposed to do. And definitely, if you are trading multiple live accounts, it is just essential. Okay, here is first target on this account, and I think now we are getting close to that daily open range trade. Now, I don't think it will take a trade on a break of the open range because there's so many red bars already. I think the other trade is going to wait for a retracement for bars to go blue, and then if price continues to go lower, then a short trade will be taken. Yes, he did not take a short upon the break because of this. I think I put 20 bars. Yes, see 20 bars. So if there are more than 20 red bars, it will not take a short upon the break. Now you can adjust that to 40 or 50 or just 5 bars, whatever you want. I'm not sure why I put 20. I think it was just a number I put in. I guess I was thinking if it's more than 20 bars, there should be some kind of a retracement. Okay, let's go back to the other one. Stop at break even, considering if I should raise by 50%. We're not far from the daily goal at this point. I think daily goal should be around maybe 34. If it comes down to 34. Okay, so here price has to come up more to get blue bars going and then go lower to take a short. Okay, trying for another leg down. Tightening up. Gonna unclick the shorts for now. If I get taken out here, maybe then wait for a bounce. I really don't think there should be an issue going down all the way. Here is the daily target 504, of course, positive slippage. Not a lot this time, not like yesterday. But very nice, very nice. All right, so let's just quickly show everything for this account and move on to the next. And this was a live account, and this one is done trading for today. All right, so in this one, we are below the daily open range, but we need the bars to go blue and then price to turn around and go lower. Okay, the bars are blue now. So now, price needs to turn around, go lower. The daily open range, there will be a short trade. There we go. Stop on this one is very tight, just 16 ticks. And my reasoning was, if it's really going to go below the open range, if the trade is going to take off to the downside, there's no reason to risk more than that, because then price will go right back in to the open range. So I'm just risking 16 ticks here. As you can see on the stop, 16 ticks. Here they go. Gonna secure a bit of profit here, 50%. First target. So I decided that if they take me out, indeed, I'm going to unclick the shorts. I'm going to wait for them to go back into the daily open range. If they don't and they just go lower, so be it. But you know, I have to trade on my terms, and using the open range filter with only a 16 tick stop, I need to be very precise and very exact. So they take me out, I'm going to keep this off. I'm going to wait for them to come into the open range, then click it back on, and upon red bars and a break of the daily open range, the other trader is going to take another short. Here they come on, trail. I'm so close, come on. Here we go. All right. Nice. Took a while, but nice. I guess I'm spoiled. Took a while. So it's 10:30. I've been trading for 1 hour and completed two accounts hitting their targets. So, you know, this was a good example of you don't need to risk a lot to shoot for higher targets. As I said, this account only has a stop loss of 16 ticks. Okay, so this is $80 per contract. So two contracts, $160. So you risk $160 to shoot for 500. And that's possible. It's possible, especially with the right template and definitely using the auto trader. This kind of an approach is what's going to help you get funded, especially with the lower combines. You know, if you don't want to spend a lot of money on the larger combines that give you a larger max drawdown, the cheaper combines have fairly tight, very small drawdown amounts. But with this kind of an approach, when you're only risking $160 to make 500, I mean, that is the kind of trade I am proud of. 10:30, two accounts reached their targets. Let's review the first one. This one I also had on shorts only, so once let me make this a bit bigger. Red bars, step MA, declining. Here is the short, first target, and second target. And this one was done by, looks like 10:07. Possibly going to trade the third account. It's being Friday, and so far things are slow, but here comes the 22, of course, 22. Good number, 79.16 will be interesting.